We ended up checking into Gloria Residence in Zhongshan pretty late because of our itinerary, and since they actually ran out of the abundance type room we originally booked, they gave us a complimentary upgrade to this massive 2-bedroom suite, and the layout feels very open and functional. They have a snack bar in the lobby that's available 24/7, which was a huge perk. But since we visited during Halloween, we also got these limited edition candy goodie bags by the elevator to take up to the room with us. The primary bedroom is super simple and cozy with these warm wood tones. This walk-in closet is honestly massive. It's fully equipped with a safe, robes, and even a full-sized iron, which is so rare to find at a city hotel. Moving into the bathroom, it's really bright, clean, and modern. Everything was completely spotless when we walked in. The best part about staying here is definitely the kitchen setup. It's basically a high-end apartment with a proper stovetop, sleek cabinetry, and plenty of counter space for prepping meals. They literally provide every appliance you might need, from the microwave and the rice cooker, espresso machine, and to the drawers that are fully stocked with all the silverware and professional cooking tools. It really makes a long-term stay so much easier. There's even a private balcony with your own laundry unit, and then a second bedroom that's just as intentional, featuring its own dedicated desk if you need a quiet space to get some work done. Between the deep soaking tub and all that extra square footage, it truly felt like having our own private residence in Taipei. If you ever want a lucky upgrade and a lot of space, this is a spot.